This next song is one we truly love playing together as a band. And honestly, we can't thank y'all enough for all the love and support you've shown this one. It means more to us than you know. This song is called Slow Dancing in the Back of a Pickup Truck. And I'll tell you right now, that's about as good of a date as you can ever have in this life. If you've never done that before, if you never had that moment with the person you love, with the tailgate down, the night air blowing, the moon hanging up above, and a song playing while the whole world slows down for a little while, then trust me, you are missing out on something special. Let's do something about it. No fancy plans, no big city lights, just two hearts, a little music, and a moment you wish could last forever. And for real, if you haven't done it yet, I hope one day you do, at least once in your life. And when that moment comes, promise me one thing: play Slow Dancing in the Back of a pickup truck. This song means a whole lot to us. Thank y'all again for making it such a special one. We hope you feel every word of it just like we do. So if you know it, sing it with us tonight. And let these words come straight from your heart. Slow dancing in the back of a pickup truck. Baby, close your eyes, just picture tonight. Just you and I, where everything feels right. I hear the waves crashing softly on the shore. You're in my arms, don't need nothing more. Slow dancing in the back of a pickup truck, tailgate down, just falling in love. Moonlight swaying to that old two-step song. Every moment feels right where we belong. Yeah, we're slow dancing in the back of a pickup truck, just falling in love. I've been searching for a feeling like this, through all the miles and the maybes I missed. Every wrong road led me right to you, standing right here, knowing this is true.
Slow dancing in the back of a pickup truck, tailgate down, just falling in love.
Moonlight swaying to that old two-step song.